So guess what? I ended up in Umeå, Sweden. Almost all the way north of Sweden. I'm walking from the airport toward my Airbnb room downtown Umeå. It's about 1 hour walk. Yes, I like to walk. There's a bus. It costs about 5 or 7 euros, but I prefer to walk and just enjoy these first moments of my experience. What am I doing here? Well, first of all, when we were in Stockholm, on the way to the airport back, I saw forests, snowy forest, just a little bit, and I got this calling, that interior calling, that I wanted to go back and enjoy more of this forest. I decided to come up here where it's all forests, it's snowy, and also take advantage of the time I'm here and go to the metal festival, 2-day metal festival here in Umeå, House of Metal. So I'm really excited. This is the most north I have ever been. I also had the husky sled tour programmed, but it was cancelled today because the lake we were supposed to go on is getting warmer, so it's melting. Good very morning, good afternoon. It's so beautiful and it's so incredible to be inside the scenery, not just seeing in videos and pictures. Oh, I love these winter landscapes. I walked 1 hour from I'm walking all over the place. I walked 1 hour from my room in the center, and I'm here at this lake. It's kind of frozen, but of course they have this tendency here to walk on lakes and do all kinds of activities on lakes, frozen lakes, but I would never dare. Wind is blowing. It's cold, but not too cold. It's so perfect. I love to travel so much to discover new places, especially in nature, but it's because it's a creation, and participate in this creation and enjoy the creation, touch it, feel it, smell it, feel the wind. And I feel very at home in these forests. I don't know if it's because I'm from Poland, so it's on some level it's similar. We also have forests and snow, but it's something deeper than that. I don't know, I feel very at home in this environment. Let's go. Inside here to this magical frosted trees forest. I veered off the main way that goes around the lake. I'm on some kind of a path too, but no one is here because on the other one there are some people jogging and walking their dogs. Here there's absolutely no one. I have to be careful because the sun is going down. The other road was lit, this one is not. So yeah, it would be interesting to be here at night, but maybe with someone. I'm gonna have a little picnic here with a salad that I bought. I found the picnic area and I'm looking at the lake here and the sun is setting, changing the colors nicely. It's amazing. I just always, when I come to places like this, I always feel that I really would like to live like this, just far away from the civilization, somewhere in nature. I should do it one day, you know? I'm not afraid of change. Right now the circumstances are not really perfect for that because of some circumstances, but I might do it. And who knows, it could be Scandinavia. So I really feel at home with the nature here. Wolf. No, just dogs. Many dogs around here. So now I'm deeper in the forest, well, off the main track. Oh, I have to come back here tomorrow and explore these off-beaten tracks even more. Yeah. Well, I can't go completely off the track because look, it's snow is just surprisingly deep. See? Pure magic. Pure uncontaminated magic. I'm inside a magical world. This is not real. It cannot be. Looks like a road. Well, let's take this road. Oh, this is not a road. It's a lake. I almost fell into something. Some kind of a river. Yeah. Holy moly. Well, the road is over there. You gotta be careful in those Viking forests.